Okay, say that again.
Very interesting, enjoyed it very much.
Thank you. And where have you been today?
I've been to... Where have I been?
Being. I'm just going to ask a few other people now. Hi.
Hello.
What did you think of today?
It was lovely, the energy was great.
Thank you. And it was your first time today, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Cool. Would you come back?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit far to come back regularly, but I hope to come back. And
Wonderful though. It's been great to have you here. Thank you so much. Lisa, can you tell me a couple of words to describe today?
Thought-provoking.
Yeah.
Made me very inquisitive.
Yeah.
And full of energy.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Can you tell me a couple of words that you felt about today?
Very energising.
Yeah.
Very thought-provoking.
Yeah.
And I've enjoyed it very much. Thank you.
Thank you. And where have you been today?
I've been to Being.
Thank you.
I had to think where it was.
Hi Lynn, can I just ask you what you felt about today? Could you give me a couple of words to describe?
Oh well, I just know I'm in the right place. It's the moment you walk through the door, you feel this trust and just be, and you just that wonderful, safe feeling that you're with people of like minds, and you're not going to be questioned or criticised or put down in any way. You're just with friends.
Oh wow!
I feel I'm with friends, and I just the only problem with company, you don't want to leave. You don't want to stay forever.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
a jungle out there.
Wonderful, thank you Lynn.
Amy.
Olga, what did you think about today?
Sorry, I can't speak very well.
No?
I'm a little bit confused when it's in English.
Okay, don't worry.
Amy, will you take...
Dawn, what did you think about today?
Oh, today's been magical. I think it's been the best, actually, description of what spirituality I've ever heard. And I think, you know, what you're doing with the Be-In, Amelia, is magical.
Oh, thank you.
And the feedback I've got from everyone has just been so positive.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Cheryl, can I ask you? No? Oh, Julie, what did you feel about today?
Really good, energising, a lovely introduction into spirituality. And the nice lady, I can't pronounce the name properly, but Cheetah, is it? Cheetah?
Sorry, say that.
Cheetah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think...
You've enjoyed it today?
Enjoyed it.
Chinta, yeah. Good. Have you got a couple of words to describe how you feel about today?
I think she's a very genuine lady, very helpful, and tries to offer different things for different people.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Julie.
Right? Sorry,
yeah, that's lovely. Hi ladies, could I just ask you what you felt about today? Just a couple of words, please.
It's interesting talk. Yeah.
Thank you. And how would you describe your experience of being at BN?
My experience, I really enjoyed coming. It's such a great vibration and energy here. I feel like you come home. Yeah.
Lovely.
And when you go home, it leaves you a good feeling all day when you come here.
Oh wow.
I feel like it's family. It's enjoyable.
Thank you, that's really lovely.
Be yourself.
Yes, I can, for sure.
I'm not going to be on YouTube or anything.
Can I just ask you how you felt about today? Just a couple of words, doesn't have to be much.
Refreshing,
Yeah.
very interesting, and it's been really great to meet some really nice people.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Can I just ask you all, just in a couple of words, to tell me how you felt about today?
As I said, I really enjoyed it, and I thought the presentation was brilliant because it was so interactive and really drew us all out and made us talk about how we feel. So we weren't being spoken to,
No.
we were being drawn in. It was
Wonderful. Thank you. Chinta, how did you feel? This is our guest speaker for today. BN.
I've really been impressed by the quality of presence of this lady.
and the maturity and the openness to that spiritual quality inside of us.
Yeah, wonderful. We really loved your talk. It's been amazing. Got so much good feedback from you, Chinta. And how about you? How do you feel about today, Maggie? Have you enjoyed it?
I found the talking about colours very interesting in association with soul.
Yeah.
Because I feel that the soul is colourless, and yet so is light, and yet light is made up of all the colours that you would have in the chakras, all the rainbow colours, and you'd also have it in your aura.
Yeah.
So the link there was very interesting.
Good.
I'm going to follow it up.
Lovely. And what words would you describe your experience with?
I felt it was just lovely to be with all these wonderful people who were equally interested.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's lovely. Thank you.